My video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications that come from the site ederstono.com. ederstono.com. This website displays fake alerts that try to encourage people into subscribing to the multiple ads that will be displayed as random push notifications. The pop-up tries to make people click on the special Allow button, supposedly to close this page or to continue watching some content, or for some other reasons, but to click on the Allow button is surely a mistake. In this case, you may be brought to some other questionable sites. Also, you may start receiving the great portion of advertisements that will be displayed randomly in the right part of your screen. So, definitely it was a mistake to click on the Allow button, and if you have done that by mistake, you should urgently fix your browser issues. Access the menu, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, Site Settings, go to Permissions and choose Notifications. Now pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. Remove this ederstono.com from the list, and this is the way to fix your browser and remove these unwanted ads from attacking your screen. My strong recommendation is that you additionally research your computer with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button to download the software. After it is downloaded and installed, start scanning your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.